The next step is to stain the DNA. And I'm going to use ethidium bromide to stain the DNA because it's very sensitive. A good amount to use is to make the final concentration of ethidium bromide in your staining tray to be 1 microgram per mil. Now, since I've already added the gel to the staining tray, I'm going to add the ethidium bromide to the water beside the gel. And then I'm slowly going to mix the stain into the water so that it's uniformly distributed. And then you need to wait between 5 and 10 minutes before you visualize it on a UV light box and take a picture. This is a UV light box, and now that your gel is done staining, you're going to transfer the gel from the staining tray onto the UV light box. You're using UV light because the stain you use, ethidium bromide, fluoresces when you shine UV light onto it. Now, UV light can actually damage your eyes and also your skin, so you want to make sure to wear goggles and also put the cover back onto the UV light box before you turn it on. So now I'm going to transfer the gel from the staining tray onto the UV light box. And when you put the gel onto the light box, start on one end and then slowly lower the gel. That way you'll avoid bubbles underneath the gel. And before you turn on the UV light box, remember to put the cover back on the light box. And when you turn on the light, what you'll see is fluorescence from wherever the dye has bound to the gel. And you'll see the banding pattern if you have DNA. To obtain a permanent recording of your gel, you need to take a photograph. For that purpose, you need a hood and a digital camera. Use the hood to make sure that the only light that's reaching the camera is from the UV light box, and also to shield your eyes from the UV light. So first place the hood over the gel. And once you've done that, get your digital camera and turn off the flash for your digital camera. And also set up the camera so that you're using macro photography. Okay, once you've done that, you're ready to take the picture. So, take the camera and place it over the opening in the hood. And then you can take the picture. Okay, once you take the picture, it looks something like this.